Good afternoon, class 8. Let us start our lesson Development Projects in Nepal. Let us start with the meaning of project. A project is any organized activity launched in a certain area, society, or a nation. A project is a plan related to development activities for development of a certain area, society, region, or a nation. In other words, an organized form of work for development with certain objective is project. To implement the project in better way, we need human resources with right skills and knowledge who can utilize the available resources in a nation in efficient way. The series of projects have to be launched inside a country in different places for its development. Some of the completed projects in Nepal are Janakpur Jayanagar Railway. This is the only railway in Nepal till date. It runs from Janakpur, a holy place of province number 2, to Jayanagar of India. BP Koirala Highway. It is also known as Banepa Bardivas Highway. It links Kathmandu Valley with Eastern Tarai region. It was constructed with the help of Government of Japan. Trivandrum International Airport runway upgrading project. The runway of Trivandrum International Airport has been extended by 300 meters at its southern end by upgrading the runway in safety access to current standard. Now the total length of the runway of Trivandrum International Airport is 3,350 meters. So these are few examples of projects of Nepal. Now let us talk about different projects of Nepal, different projects in the world on the basis of its area coverage. On the basis of area coverage, there are four types of projects. They are local projects. Okay, let us talk about local projects of Nepal. The project that is launched in a local area with aim to provide betterment to the people living in the area is called local project. For example, Street Solar Light Project in Bhaktapur, rooftop farming initiated by Kathmandu metropolitan city. The project is providing training to hundreds of households in the capital in a bid to promote urban greenery and preserve environment of the valley. Now let us look at another example. Micro Hydro Village electrification program in Nepal. You know that many places in Nepal are not linked to national transmission line for electricity. In those places, the government has encouraged people for the construction of micro or small hydropower plants so that the demand of energy in the village could be fulfilled easily by villagers themselves. Now, let us talk about regional projects. The project that is run in a larger area like districts, zones, development regions, provinces, etc. is known as regional project. Some of the examples of regional projects in Nepal are Melamchi Drinking Water Project. The Melamchi Drinking Water Project is considered to be the most viable long-term alternative to ease the chronic water shortage situation within the Kathmandu Valley. The project is designed to divert fresh water to Kathmandu Valley from Melanchi River in Sindhupalchok district. Now let us talk about Chure, President Chure Conservation Project. This project was initiated under the Ministry of Forest and Environment for protecting the biodiversity and solving the problems of Chure area. The Chure is the youngest hills in Nepal, which extends from Ilam in the east to Kanchanpur in the west. Bagmati Irrigation Project in Sarlai district. Bagmati irrigation project diverts the water of Bagmati river in Karmaya of Sarlai district to the canals which take water to the fields of Sarlahi and Routahar districts. The main aim of the project is to improve standard of farmers by providing irrigation facility throughout the year. Now let us talk about national project. The project run for the betterment of the people throughout the nation is known as national project. Some of the national projects of Nepal are Upper Trishuli Hydropower Project. Upper Trishuli Hydropower Project is a 216 megawatt hydropower project being developed on the Upper Trishuli River in the Raswa district of Nepal. The completion of the project will increase Nepal's electricity supply by one-third from today's level. Now let us look at another project. Puspalal Highway or Mid-Hill Highway project. It is an ongoing project in Nepal which is thought to be 1776 kilometers. After completion, it will be the longest national highway of Nepal. The highway runs through the Mid-Hills region of Nepal from Pasthar district in province number 1 to Baitari district in Sudur Paschim province. Optical fiber project of Nepal Telecom. Nepal Telecom has already extended the optical fiber network across 57 districts. In the near future, NTC aims to extend it to all 77 districts of Nepal. NTC believes that the completion of the project will help the company to provide quality voice and data services to the users. Now let us move forward to international project. The project run for the mutual benefit of two or more than two countries or for global benefit is known as international project. Some of the international projects are Roxol Amlekhganj Oil Pipeline Project, the construction of petroleum project the construction of petroleum product pipeline project from Roxol of India to Amlekhganj of Bara district in Nepal has already completed. The 37.5 kilometer cross-border pipeline has facilitated the smooth supply of petroleum product in Nepal. And look at the picture, it is showing you the pipes through which the petroleum product is brought to Nepal from India. Nepal-Bangladesh Cross-Border Transmission Line Project. The government of Nepal and the government of Bangladesh have agreed to build cross-border transmission line between the two countries in December 2018 to upgrade energy trade and investment between Nepal and Bangladesh. The two countries have also agreed to discuss with Indian government about the project and the use of Indian transmission lines for exporting electricity of Nepal to Bangladesh. Let us hope that the project will get started soon. Sustainable Development Project. This is also one of the most important projects in the world. Sustainable Development Goals initiated by UNO is a global or international ongoing project. It was adopted by all United Nations member countries as a universal call to action to end poverty. The project has 17 goals which aims to bring long-term development in social, economic and environmental sector of the world.
It's quiz time. Number 1. Define project. Number 2. How many types of project are there on the basis of area coverage? Number 3. Name 2 ongoing projects in Nepal. I hope you'll write down the answers of this question in the comment section below.
Here is a question for practice. 1. Define project. Discuss different types of projects on the basis of area coverage with examples. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. If you haven't checked out our other videos, it's in the description below.